Lifestyle. Forex lifestyle. All showing around here. Jeffrey Benson buying new stuffs, guy. $250,000 Richard Mille. Another Lamborghini on the wrist. That's exactly his word. Let me show you.
Lambo on wheels and Lambo on wrist. Right here. Right here.
Then with a new trunk delivered. Like a new trunk delivered. These guys keep showing it over and over and over again. But that's not the main deal today. Today I want to show you that practice makes perfect. These guys have practiced and they are not perfect. Now, in this video, I've done my research and I realized that many beginner trader, intermediate trader, including me, struggles with backtesting. In fact, all we do majorly is forward testing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to backtest for free. Two major sites where you can easily backtest for free and record your trade for free. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel and also help my channel grow. So stay tuned and watch to the end. Alright guys, first thing you do is you just open your browser, go to your browser, then you search for Trade Casa. That's the number one site, Trade Casa. Let's see, this is it. The first thing you are seeing here, that's Trade Casa. Then you go ahead and sign in. Let's see, just stay tuned. I assure you, this thing you will benefit from it. You will surely benefit from it. Alright, so go ahead and sign in, or sign up rather. Sign up. I'm using a browser that I've not used before. Let's just sign in with Google. Sign up as well. Alright, all set up now. So we have just signed in on Traders Casa. So just go ahead. This is the dashboard. This is the user interface, and in this user interface you have your analytics, your report, backtest, notebook. You can actually journal, you can write some things down about your trade. But the thing is, normally all this app is not totally free, but at least we have access to some things that we need to do. Now going to backtesting, and let's just go straight to why we are here. Alright, so you click on backtest. That's exactly the main reason we are here. Alright, so you click on new session, then you give your session a name. If you want to backtest probably anything you like, just name it. I mean, I'll just call it a London session and New York session. Alright, so you can adjust your starting balance or how much you want to put there. You can just put, let me just say this, you are using $10,000. Then select your pair. Let me just say gold. Let's say USD. Then you choose the date, the time frame, like the time around, probably from a particular date that you want to start your backtesting from. Alright, so you set your where you want your backtest to start from. Let's say we want to start backtesting. Today is actually 9 of August, and I want us to start. Let's say we want to start last month. We want to start backtesting from last month, so July 1st of last month. Then you can go ahead and ask description. My aim is to practice till I'm perfect. Save it, then it will create. Alright, now this is your balance, and now you can start backtesting by clicking on this here. If you want to delete this section, you can delete it here. You can always create another one. Even as this one still exists, you can still create another one. So you can also change, if you don't like light mode, you can change it to black mode here. For me, let me just stay with this. Anyone works for me. So click on play and just continue your back testing. All right, our chart is ready. Our chart is ready. If you actually observe this will start from the day that we put. This is July 1st, June 30th, so that we can start July 1st. You understand now? So this is exactly what we said, the time that we said. So if you like, you said 2020, you can start backtesting from 2020, any year you want. You can actually change the year that you want, set when you want to start backtesting, so you can start from there. Anyone. I just decided to use last month. So now you can actually change from one time frame to the other to make it very easy for us. Like you can change from one time frame to another, and you will still start from that particular place, June 30th. So it makes it very easy to switch from one time frame to another. You can use daily time frame, you can use 1 minute time frame, anyone you want. You can use any time frame that you want. So, and you can use any of your tools. You can even change this particular settings. You can change it to any color that fits you, anyone you want. You can do anything that you can do on TradingView, you can do it here. Like I repeat it again, anything you can do on TradingView, you can do it here. So you don't have to pay a dime for it. It's free of charge. Alright, so now let's go ahead with the backtesting. Respect the upper zone, probably around here. So let's see. Let's wait patiently and play. Now I'm going to play it here. You can decide to use any of this, probably 15 minutes or 10 minutes, so that how fast, to determine how fast it is. So you play it. Let me expand this. I will just have to increase it. Alright, so price has come to the zone. So now let's see what happens. You can still use your short position. And now, alright, another thing I need to show you is that once you actually get an entry, you can actually go to open position here and actually place a trade, like as if you are trading normally. So this will be a direct entry with our stop loss of 3321.82, and our take profit will be, let me just put anything, 3308.22. Now you can just click on place trade. Oh sorry, stop loss should be below the entry, 3321. Oh, it's a sell. Sorry, it's a sell. Place trade. Now you see, now our trade has been placed. Now let's play it and see how it goes, guys. Let's play it and see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Alright, unfortunately the trade happens to be a loss. Let's try the next one. So I just hope you get everything clearly now. Alright, so let's see how this one goes, guys. Same thing, open a trade. Let's wait for price to get there. Okay, price got there. There's almost lost already. Alright, so we're about to place another trade now. Let's see how it goes, guys. Sell my market entry, and then stop loss 3332.51. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna place the trade now. Take profit should be 3314.14. And you place your trade. Now we are there. Oh, sorry, this okay, it's too much. Let's see if I can adjust that. Okay, I think it's actually adjustable, guys. So this site has a lot of benefit to it, so let's see how it goes, guys. Okay, another loss, but the aim of this video is to make sure that you just realize that there is a app, a site where you can backtest easily for free, guys, for free. Like, you are not paying any money, for free. See how easy it is, guys. You can actually, now if you go back now, you'll see that the trade that we have taken is actually recorded. Let's go back to our platform now. See, it's actually recorded now. We have $9,700 remaining. So as if you are just practicing. So it makes it very easy, guys. Alright, so another site where you can actually backtest is Go Chatting. And this is Go Chatting. This is not as easy as the first one I introduced. This one is kind of complicated. So you can go ahead and search for the symbol you want to backtest. Let's say XAU USD. Click on enter. To load up the chart already. It's not as detailed as the first one. In fact, I don't like using this one. This one is frustrating, but probably in case you want to just have it on it that okay, something like this exists. Here you can also just go ahead, click on replay. Let's sign in with our Google. Okay, let's spread the symbol again. Alright, click on replay. Once you click on replay, just go, probably even if it's a long time ago, just double click on the candle where you want to start from, 1 2. Then you can start, do your analysis. Once you do analysis, then click on play here. Click on play here. Now if you want your candlestick to appear 1 seconds per bar, you leave it here. If you want it to appear probably 4 seconds per bar, you increase it until you are satisfied. Then let me make it 1 second per bar. Now it should be very fast here, because it's 0.1 seconds per bar. Let's say it's too fast for you, you can actually increase it to any matter the speed that you're comfortable with. So you click on play, then the thing begin to play for you, and just go ahead and put your long tool or your short tool, anyone you want to put. Then you go ahead and flow with your backtesting. So these are the two sites that I know that it works perfectly for backtesting. In fact, the first one is more okay. The first one is much okay. So I would recommend that you stay with the first one that the Traders Casa. Very okay for every traders. Alright, to make it more easy for you, I'm going to attach the link to the site to the description below. Just go ahead and click it and just go and enjoy yourself. Backtest for free. Alright, I'm glad you watched this video to the end. I'm very glad. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to help this growing channel to grow. Thank you so much. It won't take you a dime to subscribe. It's just an act of kindness. Just go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. I remain your humble guy, TC Forex. Bye.